Hello, everybody. This is Jerry DeMaio from mortgage-zoom.com and Family First Funding. And the topic for today is the weekly mortgage rate update for February the 10th, 2022. And this is what this is what today looks like. So listen, honestly, I intentionally, unbuttoned the shirt, looked a little disheveled today because today was a disheveling day for mortgage rates. So earlier this morning, we had more inflation numbers come out, and they were expecting high numbers, and they actually were worse than expectation. And what does that do? So what did that do to the market? So last time we met, we were right here last Thursday, and you see this blue dot, and as you see the blue dot going down, this is rates getting worse. And this is today only. Like looks like they fallen off a cliff. That means rates rose dramatically today. So what does this mean? You say, that's great, Jerry. I don't know what all these charts and graphs mean and all that. I don't know that much either, believe it or not. What does that mean for my customers, and what does it mean for the homeowner or potential home buyer? It means that you're probably going to start seeing rates in the 4%. That's really what we're looking at today. That's for a 30-year mortgage with excellent credit. If you're looking at a 15-year, you're probably in the low threes, 3.25%, 3.375%. So, all I'm going to say is this: as I've said before, other than during the pandemic, mortgage rates are still at historic lows. I know I keep saying that, but really, other than during the pandemic, we're still at historically low mortgage rates. So we just need to remember that. One of the questions people ask, do you think rates are going back down? And honestly, I don't know, and I'm not an expert, and anything can happen, and I don't know if there are real experts on that, but honestly, I'd say no, we are currently in a rising interest rate environment. We have Fed expectations to raise rates. Actually, with some of today's inflation numbers that came out, they're expecting the Fed to raise rates more aggressively. So, that's going to have effects on our mortgage rates. So, the good news is we're still at all-time lows. The bad news is this was a rough week for rates. The goal of this program is just to keep you updated so you know where we are, so you can be better educated. So if you're a realtor, you have some tip of the tongue knowledge. If you're a potential home buyer, you're not surprised because you were pre-qualified 3 months ago and interest rates were in the high twos. These are just things that are important to stay aware of. So listen, I'd like to thank you for joining, and I'm going to ask, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or you want to meet one-on-one, schedule your appointment at www.mortgagezoom.com, and we're going to have an appointment that looks a lot like this. Thank you so much for joining. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day.